In this PostgreSQL tutorial, we will learn about the regress slope function in PostgreSQL. So, what is the regress slope function in PostgreSQL? The regress slope function is used to calculate the slope of the best fit linear regression line between two sets of numeric data. The best fit line represents the linear relationship between two variables, with the slope indicating the rate of change in the dependent variable y concerning changes in the independent variable x. In other words, it measures how much the dependent variable changes for each unit increase in the independent variable. And the syntax is very simple. You write a function regress slope like this, and this function accepts two values, and first value is a yx. The yx is a y expression, which is the dependent variable or the first set of values. As you know, regress slope takes two values, two set of numeric values. And the second value is a x, which represents the x expression. And x expression is the independent variable or the set of values of a second variable. And this should be always a independent variable. So regress slope function calculates the slope of the best fit line using the least square method to minimize the sum of a square difference between the observed value and the value predicted by the regression line. And for example, here we will use the table student score, which contains a three column: class name, math score, and science score. Class name contains two classes, class A and class B, and math score, science scores represent the scores for each student in both classes. And for example, you want to calculate the slope of the best linear regression line between math scores and the science scores. And for that, type a command select, then specify the function regress slope, then within function provide a first value or the dependent variable. So here dependent variable is a math score column. So math score column, type here math score. Then provide the x expression, which is the independent variable. So the second set of values from the column science score. So type here science score. Science, then score. And both the columns belongs to table student score. So type here from student scores. Now select this query, execute it. As you can see in the output, the regression slope is 0.67. Let me explain you how you can consider or interpret whether the slope is a best fit line regression or not. You will get a value as a result 1 or -1. So one value can be positive and other can be negative, or it can also be the 0. So a positive slope indicates a positive linear relationship, which means as a math scores increases, science scores also increases, while a negative slope indicates a negative linear relationship. As the math scores increases, science scores tend to decrease, and the magnitude of slope indicates the extent of the relationship, with a larger magnitude suggesting a more significant impact on one variable on the other. So here, the value represents the rate of change in science score concerning change in math score based on the linear regression model. So the score is 0.6, which is a positive slope, indicate a positive linear relationship. This is how you can use a regress slope function in PostgreSQL. So at last, I want to say, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.